Monday. Don't ignore the snore. It's an all-day Local 4 special event. Snorer in your bed? It's more than just annoying.
They've actually documented hearing loss in wives of heavy snorers.
But besides putting a strain on relationships, sawing logs can actually signal major medical issues. That's why we're dedicating the entire day to share vital information on this condition that affects so many families. Demonstrations, a phone bank, plus
we actually have an expert who can read the snore.
On air and online. Don't ignore the snore. All day Monday.